So my name's Grant, I'm the CNC manager here at Kelford Cams. I'm originally from Scotland, small town Scotland, a little place called Brechin, and I always wanted to kind of get out of Scotland and travel overseas and see what was elsewhere in the world.
So yeah, I've been involved in CNC machining at the start of my career, and then from CNC machining I got the opportunity to do some CNC programming. I bring a solid model into my computer that's been done on SolidWorks. We've recently purchased a new cam software here at Kelford Cams which is called Top Solid, and it's one of the most powerful cam softwares out there. The first stage for me would be to do some toolpaths which will simulate exactly what's going to happen on the CNC lathe. Once I've done these toolpaths, I can then check through and verify that all the cut-in movements are correct so that we don't have any accidents when the program actually goes onto the machine. So this is simulating the machine on the shop floor exactly as it will happen on the CNC lathe. So once the simulation's done and once the cam program's finished and I'm happy with it, what I do is I generate the G-code in the cam software. This will now be sent down to the CNC lathe where the operator will check through the G-code. So part of my job is also to make sure that the programs that I provide on the shop floor are correct. So I do spend a lot of time out there as well, just making sure these programs are proven out properly and are 100% correct to create the camshafts on the machine.
There's so many different types of tooling out there that we feel it's important to get the best quality tooling to make the best quality parts. One of my jobs is to actually source the cutting edge technology that we use here at Kelford Cams. Lots of solid carbide tooling especially. Very excited about the future of Kelford Cams. We keep growing every year. We're investing in new machines, new staff. We are introducing robots in the future as well. My favourite things about Kelford Cams, one thing is definitely a teamwork here at Kelford's that I've not seen anywhere else that I've ever worked before. Everyone's passionate about the products we make. Everyone's passionate about Kelford Cams. It's a happy place, so I love it. Yeah.